Hi there, mga beloved yung soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito ang pinilingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful tarot reading. Dito lang po sa inyo lagi na pangalan sinusubaybayan na Renzo Tarot Channel. Nagamagay shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Na lagi nanonood at ako subaybay. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ating pong reading ay pagsasamahan ay isang timeless reading para sa ating mapinakamana na sa sign ng Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Pag sinabi po natin timeless reading, ay no pressure at all. Kahit ngayon, next week, or next year nyo po ito mapanood, no pressure at all. Ibig sabihin po, para po sa inyo ang energy ng reading nyo ito. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po at di po pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe our channel, like, comment, and share. Of course, if you're watching this video sa aking TikTok account, RenzoTaro444, please follow na rin po. Mag-comment rin po kayo. And if you want to avail a personal reading, huwag po kayo mahiya mag-chat po sa akin. Pag-usapan po natin kung magkano at kung paano po ang proseso ng personal reading. Important notice po ay what is this? Hindi po ako yung unang magchat-chat po para sa inyo ha. Hindi po ako yung unang mag-offer. So kasi may mga scammer po ngayon, may mga manuloko, nanggagaya po ng ating account, nag-re-upload ang video. So hindi po ako yung unang magchat-chat. Kayo po unang mag-chat po sa akin sa ating Renzo Taro 444 TikTok account. Yung may 7K followers and counting po. Doon po, yun po yung original ang digit po nating TikTok. Okay? So, huwag natin patagalin pa. Kunin na natin Capricorn ang iyong 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angel, Ancestor, Holy Spirit. So, yun. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po ko iniiwan. So, I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy. Nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. You're safe. Of course, you're happy at all times. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Okay, Capricorn, your 10 cards now are now ready. Huwag natin pang patagalin ito. Okay, Capricorn, una mong baraha is the Four of Swords. Parang ang nakikita natin dito na energy ay what is this? Overwhelmed, overtired, parang any kind na parang pagod kayo. Parang drain yung energy nyo. That's why kinakailangan nyo daw po na magpahinga. Capricorn, parang sobrang busy nyo lately. Ang dami nyong mga tinatrabaho, inaasikaso to the point na parang nakakalimutan nyo yung tamang oras ng pagtulog, pagkain, or whatsoever. So, hindi pa rin makompromise yung health natin, Capricorn, ha? Walang masama sa paghahanap buhay, work hard. So, but kinakailangan na yung kalusugan ay hindi maapektuhan. So, maglaan din ng oras para magpahinga. And kasi baka ma-overfatigue kayo, baka ma-overwork kayo, kung ano man. So, mahirap na. Walang silbi ang pera natin at kung ano man kapag yung katawan natin yung bimigay. Capricorn, second card mo is the Five of Cups. I can see here a little bit of disappointment. May mga sitwasyon daw, Capricorn, lately na parang na-disappoint kayo. Siguro may ini-expect kayo isang bagay at hindi dumating, at kung dumating man ay parang hindi nag-work according sa gusto mo na paraan or sa oras na ini-expect mo. That's why you're being disappointed. I can see also disappointment from other people. Siguro may mga taong, kumbaga, hindi naman sa totally betrayal, but at least you are expecting na makakatulong sa'yo o parang maganda yung result or yung output na may bibigay sa'yo, but parang hindi nila na-meet yung expectation mo o yung standard mo, Capricorn. That's why I can see here a little bit of disappointment and frustration. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Pangatlo, Page of Wands. Capricorn, one also of the challenges that you're facing as of now, it's because you are rushing everything. Parang minamadali nyo daw lahat ng bagay to the point that of course, walang masama doon. You're looking at the bigger picture of something, but hindi nyo na-realize that you are blessed enough. Marami kang blessings na hindi mo na-appreciate. Okay? So, you need to appreciate what you have as of now. We have the Three of Pyramids. That was your goals. That is your dreams and ambitions in life that you really want to achieve. Okay? There are some na may nakamit mo na yan, but still, parang hindi ka pa rin happy? Because you thought, akala mo kasi, Capricorn, kapag nakuha mo na yan, makukumpleto ka na yan. Mapufulfill na yung nararamdaman mo na parang hinahanap mo. But still, parang kaya hindi ka tumitigil eh. That's why you're being unstoppable. Kasi, kapag nakuha mo isang bagay, akala mo makukumpleto na yung nararamdaman mo. Hindi. Okay? Because that's only material thing. And yun yung nagiging challenge sa inyo, Capricorn, is how are you going to, kumbaga, to ground yourself. Kasi parang medyo mataas yung standard nyo. Your expectation yung mataas. That's why, this is the best lesson na kailangan mo matutunan. You need to appreciate what you have as of now. Don't rush everything. Take things one step at a time. Kasi meron namang growth may mga bunga naman, may mga tumutubo naman. But if you really wanted the overnight success, madidisappoint ka lang. Okay? To the point na disappointment will lead to anger, frustration, lahat-lahat na mag-ripple effect na yan. So, hindi maging maganda. Ma-apektuhan na yung mental health mo. So, Capricorn, take it easy, ha? Relax lang. One step at a time. Okay, pang-apat is Tower in reverse. May mga dapat ka pang i-accomplish daw. May mga bagay, may mga trabaho, may mga problema na hindi mo pa rin nabibigyan ng solusyon or kumbaga hindi mo pa rin matapos-tapos with the Tower card in reverse. So parang kasi hindi mo pa tapos ito, mayroon na namang isa, so you don't know when or where to start. As of now, Capricorn, parang naluguguluhan ka daw kung alin yung unahin mo kasi parang hindi pa nga tapos itong isa, meron na naman. So with the Tower card, so the advice here is you need to concentrate or kumbaga to focus, Capricorn, on one area first before jumping to others. Kasi ito yung nagiging problema nyo is yung focus sa mga bagay. Tower cards in reverse, I can see here na hindi talaga balancing lahat para sa'yo. So, marami pang mga bagay na dapat isikasuhin. So, you need to focus on one thing para mag-organize or kumbaga maging maayos ang lahat para sa iyo, Capricorn. Okay? Aside from taking it easy, you need to organize your thought, organize everything first before, kasi baka na-overwhelm ka Parang hindi mo alam. Kaya that's why, imbis na matapos yung makakoncentrate ka dito, meron ka na namang isang focusan. Capricorn, okay? So, take it easy, relax, chill. Huwag magmamadali. Parang may kakompetensya ka. Parang feeling mo dapat matapos tong lahat. Meron ba? May kalaban ka ba? Kung wala naman, kung sarili mo lang naman, so you need to take it easy. Okay. Pang-lima is the Eight of Swords. This is your past situation. Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay, buti na lang. Kasi lately, parang nakakulong ka sa isang sitwasyon na gustong-gusto mo makawala. Okay. But with this, dahil nag-reverse na siya, this is not totally, but at least there's already a growth in terms of your mental and emotional state. Kung dati talagang labo-labo, itong mga nakaraang buwan, talagang hindi mo alam, gulong-gulo ka. It seems na parang feeling mo nababalik ka, di ba, Capricorn? You really want to be free of something na parang bagay na paulit-ulit na lang na nangyayari sa'yo. And mga frustrations, delays, painful experiences, betrayals sa mga tao. Bakit parang paulit-ulit na lang nangyayari sa'yo? That's why galit na galit ka, halos gusto mo nang umiyak, you really want to explode, gusto mo nang sumabog. But now, I can see here na unti-unti na itong gumagaan ang lahat para sa'yo. Kumbaga, unti-unti na nagiging maliwanag ang lahat para sa'yo, Capricorn. So, nakikita naman natin may improvement, diba? Sabi kaya nga, kasi kung mamadaliin mo ang lahat, at kumbaga feeling mo ay pagsasabay-sabay ng lahat, yan tayo nagkakaproblema, Capricorn. Okay? So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, ulitin ko kapag di mo pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this in our TikTok account, please follow, also comment. And if you want to wear a personal reading, please send me a message. Pag-usapan po natin kung paano po kayo makakapag-avail ng personal reading. Okay. So, pang-anim sa yung timeless reading, Capricorn, is the Moon in reverse. So, I can see here also improvement in terms of emotional balance. So, lately, sabi ko nga, medyo magulo ang lahat para sa'yo. Even your thoughts are disorganized, kalat, hindi mo alam. Ngayon, okay ka, bukas mamaya, hindi na naman, bigla kang iiyak, bigla kang malulungkot, ngayon happy ka, bigla ngayon okay, biglang magsusungit ka. So, everything, so, imbalance ang lahat-lahat sa'yo lately. But now, dahil nag-reverse na itong Moon card natin, so, maaring dala din siya ng burnout sa pagod. Kaya nangyayari lang yun, nakakapagsalita ka ng maganda, nagiging irritable ka. So, but now, I can see a big improvement or growth regarding with that thing. Emotional, imbalance, so, unti-unting nakakaroon na ng balancing lahat para sa Capricorn. Pang-pito is the Six of Cups. So, ngayon nakikita ko dito, Capricorn, parang medyo hindi naman sa totally nagdamot, pero parang ngayon, namimili ka na muna ng tinutulungan mo or parang, hindi ka na basta-basta muna naaawa or you're not Di tulad ng dati na parang anytime, anywhere, you're always ready or you're always there available to extend help. But now, pinipili mo na, inaalam mo muna, nagdadalawang isip ka muna kung tutulong ka ba or kumbaga ibibigay mo yung need nito mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong dahil nag-reverse ito with the Six of Cups. This is not about being, kumbaga, being madamot, but now you're being matured o kumbaga natuto ka na. It's because lately, sobrang tulong kakatulong mo, hindi ka naman nabibigyan ng balik or parang betrayal pa ang kapalitan. That's why natuto ka. So, hindi mo naman to kasalanan, so you don't need to explain your side or you don't need to apologize to other people. So, you really need to do what you think. Okay? Kasi eto, tingnan mo. Katapat siya ng Five of Cups. Disappointed talaga kayo sa mga tao. That's why nakikita natin dito parang limited. Limited yung information mo, pakikisalamuha mo, communicate mo sa mga tao. Ngayon kasi parang may trust issues ka na, Capricorn. Pangwalo is the Fool. Okay, the Fool. So, kung dati, sabi ko, puro recovery to ha. Capricorn, kung dati yung mga karang linggo na karang buwan, nakalimutan mo rin na unahin, parang, parang nawalan ka ng time para asikasuhin ang sarili mo physically, your looks, you gain weight, pumayat ka, parang wala ka na bahala ka kung how you look there, parang to the point na parang, kasi ang dami mo talaga inisikaso, ang dami mong mga inunang mga bagay na mas settle or mas solve, but now with the Fool card in reverse, I can see a total recovery also in terms of enjoying yourself. Ngayon, parang nakakapaglaan ka na muna to go to spa, makapag-ayos, makapag-haircut, new look, makapag-pamper yourself, or you now have time to watch your favorite movie, eat your favorite food, bonding sa iyong pamilya, go out with your friends. Parang ngayon, it's all about parang nakakabawi-bawi ka with the Fool card in reverse. So, you're doing all of these things for yourself. This is like a self-awareness or self-love naman ngayon. So, that's a good thing, Capricorn. You really need to recharge yourself or bawiin mo itong mga nawalang oras and energy na talagang naubos lately, na-drain lately sa asikaso sa mga problema, sa mga taong nagbigay sa'yo ng sakit ng ulo lately. So, this is the best time to recover. Capricorn, pang siya mong barahating Ace of Wands. I can see here kung Capricorn, kung may mga pinaplano kayo, na baka I can see here na parang may magbubukas na bagong branch ng business, lilipat ng bagong trabaho, may magbubukas ng business, lilipat ng bagong lugar, something fresh, something new, you're going to plant a new seed of opportunity, blessing, of hope, maaaring mag-aaral uli kayo, masters, or parang it's all about self-improvement, either developing skills mo, or whatsoever na talagang something new, something fresh that can help you grow. So, do it, Capricorn. I can see here that malaki may tutulong nito para sa'yo. 10th and last card mo, Capricorn, for your timeless reading. Napakagandang timeless reading. Tapusin natin to with the Five of Swords. Okay, you are not kumbaga, you do not owe an apology anymore to other people. That's the third. You don't care. Wala ka ng pake. Wala ka ng pakialam sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Sabihin ka man ng masama ugali. Sabihin ko lang ganito, madamot. Your priority now is peace of mind, happiness, and to be free, to be away from toxicities and negativities that the universe is throwing at you as of the moment, or the people in your surroundings ang binibigay. Okay? With the Five of Swords, ang priority mo ngayon ay palayain ang sarili mo, Capricorn, sa mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa iyo. Maybe situation, friendship, relationship, family, or whatsoever. So, as long as it is not giving you, it's not helping you for your growth, so you are now cutting it off, or you're now slowly moving away from these people and situation. And that is a good thing. Kasi ito, matagal na panahon na nakatali ka, and now ito unti-unti ka na nagre-recover, huwag ka nang bumalik doon. So ngayon na unti-unti ka na nakakalaya from that situation, negativities, you need to continue moving forward, Capricorn, because you truly deserve all the happiness and peace of mind na hinahanap mo for a long time. I'm wishing you all the best in life in Capricorn and praying na maraming nasasaya ni Capricorn makapanito ngayon. Ulitin ko, kapag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And pakifollow rin po sa ating TikTok account, RenzoTar444. Send me a direct message if you want to avail a personal reading. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Mga pinakamahal kong Capricorn na soulmates. Nasama kayo naroroon. Ano pong ginagawa nyo? Mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.